Alright, so I see a lot of people ask me what the company name. This is the company. This is the company. Them operate out of one storage in Brooklyn, New York. 486 Stanley Avenue, Brooklyn, New York. This is the company. And this, the man up here saw him say him own the company. And the picture down here so is the wannabe secretary. When I stop call and tell people say, them cut the container reach a Jamaica and it no strip. She tell me mother, she tell me sister, and she tell other customer the same friggin' thing. You understand me? I say I two of them that. I the two of them that. So this is the company, Haco International Logistic LLC. But on a solid experience in secure shipping and I know people can get them blood clot barrel and so forth. Me I tell on the customer who say on a ship with them and on the door get back on the things. Me tell on if you load it up. On load it up. Me tell on because me talk for me one. Me speak for my own. So since they refuse to take on a call, on a text, on an email, do what I did. And put them out there. And them can't blood clot soon because we don't have no papers. For sure so them come collect on the money and collect on the goods. All that the woman the boy me sorry for her when me call last night and so forth. When she said when she go there, she say in one of the stories, she look on her barrel them and get action off. What a wicked set of blood clot shit house. Eh? What a wicked set of people. The girl said when she look, she see her fucking item them and get action. But Mr. Church out batty old dirty man. Me done tell you already, me not done. So make sure all my bumble blood clot barrel them not there in a no storage board them for action off. Because you refuse to pay the storage then 6,000 blood clot add. And I mean say so is the blood clot groundsman from Jamaica where you and him in a business down there. Reach out to me and tell me, my mother and my sister say